Y'all want to see some strawberries or a dead body?
Here's our little strawberry patch right here.
Yeah, some of them aren't done, but I have to pluck them because if I don't pluck them, that happens.
Then the birds eat them. You ain't got to move. I got you.
Okay.
Then the birds will eat them. So we got to pluck them.
Yeah. Let it sit out and then it'll
Ripen.
Excuse me.
It's called ripen.
Ripen.
It's another one. It's another one back there.
Where?
Back there. You see it? And the strawberries. Look at all them strawberries. And look at the strawberries growing underneath here. So people can't see. Strawberries. Strawberries galore. And these were planted last year. These were our strawberries that were planted last year. And they had 4 or 5 runners apiece. And they have been producing lots and lots and lots of strawberries. Lots and lots. So it was this one, that one. Jacob's from 6 to 7.
Yeah, 30 minutes.
Okay. It should be what, 5:30?
5:25.
Okay. These were great. They didn't produce much the first year, but this year they have been putting out. So we also have these over here. We got these are the new ones. These aren't producing well, but they're just getting their roots established. And right next to them are these bad boys. These got some runners right here. Some runners right there. But I got some onions in here growing too. Yeah. Strawberryville.